Alright, well, here's a question that might help you if you're ever traveling at relativistic speeds and you want to debate a police officer. If you ever do travel that fast, please let me know how it is. Quite curious. That being said, the statement reads, a cop pulls you over and asks what speed you were going. Well, officer, I cannot tell a lie. The speedometer read 4 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. He gives you a ticket because the speed limit on the highway is 2.5 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. In court, your lawyer, who luckily has studied physics, points out that the car's speedometer measures proper velocity, whereas the speed limit is ordinary velocity. Is are you guilty or innocent? Now, let's recall here that the proper belongs to the thing that's moving, and the ordinary is what we observe. Okay? That being said, proper is eta, 1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared or c squared times u. Now, we also saw a couple questions ago in 24 that we reversed these and solved for ordinary in terms of proper, so we have both terms here. Now, let's see which one we could use to prove if we're innocent or guilty. All right, so we have proper velocity, and now we actually need to define the ordinary velocity. Okay? That being said, the ordinary velocity is what's going to prove if we're guilty or innocent. So let's check it out. U is equal to eta over the square root, this thing again. And we know that c is 3 times 10 to the 8th. So you see when we plug in the ordinary velocity that was given, and both of their locations, that the 10 to the 8ths cancel due to c. So we actually get a nice little boiling down here of 1 plus 4/3 squared gives us 16 over 9ths. And at this point, we're just doing a bunch of quick algebra to fill up space. But I think you could see exactly what it needs to be. Find a common denominator, or just let your calculator do it all for you. Plain and simple, that works too. And then you get 25 over 9, which gives you a nice square there. So we have 3 over 5ths multiplying this, which actually, when we go 3/5 times 4 times 10 to the 8th, we actually get 2.4, which is actually less than the speed limit on the road. Therefore, this is less than the speed limit, and we are actually innocent. So, like I said, if you find yourself traveling at these ultra high speeds, it's better to hire a lawyer that knows physics and to make sure you know the difference between proper velocity and ordinary velocity. How cool is this? I hope one day we get a fun story with this, but it's unlikely at this point.